Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. In this moment, in this night, I want to show for you the tutorial to create the 3D animation with Unity and Fufuriat. From like the previous my video, we can see the um, tutorial to create with same application Unity and Vuforia, but in previous video, my video um, is with animation zombie animation. But in this moment, I want to uh, diganti apa nih? Diganti. Oh ya, change change my animation or illustration with the fruit illustration. Let's check it out to see the tutorial. The first step, after we drop the animation animation apa fruit, you can download the animation in Unity asset, and you can click this button and click this. Please click fruit, and you can download uh, wait, this low poly fruit pick up, and you can click this button add to my asset. After you click this and download, in this screen or this area, you can see the button open in Unity, and you can click this button. After you click, you can see the screen in your device in Unity, and you can click download and import blah 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 blah, and the asset you can see in this asset, and you can click prefabs, and the apple you can drop to the image target. After you click this image target, you can click in image target, yes, and click right button from your mouse, and you can click create empty, because we can create um, game object, but you can rename tempat buah, but I has to create this game object. I can to delete this column, this folder. After you delete this folder, you can see tempat buah. After you create the tempat buah, you can drop the apple. The before, you can see the apple is uh, in out in out di luar apa di luar di out, the apple in out area, and now you can drop this apple and out to the tempat buah. You can click this apple. After you click this apple, you can Klik tempat 2 and add component. Create the component is fungsi rotation. See, rotation, rotasi, fungsi rotasi. Because we Indonesian people, you can rename it Indonesian language. After you create this new script, but I has to create this fungsi rotasi. After you create this fungsi rotasi, you can see this screen. And oh yeah, wait. Before you click this column, you can download the application or to editing the coding with Visual Studio, not Visual Studio Code. But in Visual Studio Code, you can same, but I create this with Visual Studio, just Visual Studio. After you download the Visual Studio, in this setting, Unity setting is not default. The default is for um, not pad, not pad, but you can create with Visual Studio. You can click this um, edit and click preference, and you can click external tool and uh, change to Microsoft Visual Studio. After you click this, you can close. Bisa ceng. Kok bisa dicengin? You can download. You can close the column. After you close the column, you can you can wait. Ya, lupa. You know, after you close this column, you can create the script with create empathy in this area. Click right button from your mouse, create empathy, and you can click rename script. But I have to create this script. I can hapus this, remove this, yeah, and this script. I know see. I'm sorry. Sorry, my friend is has the panic attack with my S. After you after you create the script, make script, you can see in this area. Before we editing in before we editing with before we editing eh before we editing with Visual Studio, in the screen is not found, and now you can click the system, and this is the coding, and you can editing the coding, the code, because the time is very short. You can copy my script in my description. Okay, thank you. And next to the next step, after you editing the script, you can see in this area the before the Apple element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This not font. Bagaimana biar ada? You can click this Qualify, Proverbs, Control A, and you can drop. Hey, wait. You can click Script again and lock, and you can click this and Control A. You can drop to koleksi buah. After you drop to koleksi buah, this is the screen. The screen tampilan tuh screen kan? Ya screen from koleksi buah. Okay. The ID is the name from the category in koleksi buah. If you click the number 5, you can see number 5 is speech. Jadi as you jadi kalau if you open the camera in your device, you can see this fruit. Okay. Um, After this, oh yeah, you can create the camera and AR camera. In AR camera, sorry, I unlock this page. AR camera, you can not save from the before. Wait. And open portfolio engine configuration. And jangan lupa you can copy from your portfolio account license to this column. And you can edit the camera device. If you user for from Droid Cam, you can click this Droid Cam Source 3. If you user Alien Webcam, you can click this. But I am the user from Droid Cam Source 3. You can click this. Okay. Um. Wait. I can the change this script because my script is error, not um not can to the change from this frame. Okay. I want to skip this. Wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Like in the previous my video, we can see to create the folder from system and the script for from system, and we can see the object game object, but in the game object the example apple uh, I has to remove because in system we can see koleksi buah is so much fruit. We can count in this column with ID number. And the next step, after we create this script from system and the game object or tempat buah, you and now we can create the button for the game 3D animation in Unity. Uh, the first step, you can click in this area, right button from your mouse and click UI and image. Please enter and can click in canvas, double click, and you click from this area to the okay. After we click this, you can see this is the canvas from this frame. Yeah, wait. You can before we um do the next step, you can create the button logo with Figma. If you not have the button, because I create this button in Figma. You can see this is the example from Figma. I create this and I has to frame selection and this frame to the logo. And you click import export and pilih for 4 kali and PNG, and you can export from 37 and you rename blah 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 blah, and we can go to the next step. After you download, you can make the folder in this asset. Click right button from your um, from your mouse, and you can click. You can create the folder, and you can rename. The example I can rename this image. Enter.
Durasi terlalu panjang. Gak bisa upload ya kalau durasi terlalu panjang.
If your duration is very long, you can verification.
Gak di sini gak bisa.
Yes, I know. You can verification first.
Di mana?
Your YouTube channel. You can verification if you want to upload to long video.
Di mana settingnya, bro?
Your channel.
Setting.
Yes.
So.
And yes. I don't know. This is.
Nih.
Verification from your number telephone. Sorry.
Nanti minta verifikasi ke WA gak?
I don't know.
Nomor telepon itu?
Yeah.
Ke WA gak ya?
Sorry. Saya lupa apa bahasa Inggrisnya?
Lama kok lebih jauh.
Because but I has to create this folder. I want to remove this folder. This folder. This. And after you create the folder, you can open and drag from your file explorer the the button from Figma and drag to this column. After you drag this color, you can click to button and you can pilih this sprite to the end UI. Okay. يجب علينا أن memilih this is هذه. And the next step you can wait. Saya lupa. Oh yeah, canvas. You can click this and non-spread. If you has to finish in here, you can see in search image non-sprite. This is tombol and click. Okay, sudah ada, and you can drag to the center. After you drag to center, I want to create this animation from this button. Uh, the first time you can add component. The first you search in this column button, okay, and click. After you search the button, to create the button, you can search again animation because uh, we will to create the animation with this component. And the next you search or you create the new folder, new script. The example, I creating the animation tombol. Uh, this is by me. The script by me. The next step, you can search. You can see in the button. In button and other, you can see in animation. First, to create the animation, you will go to window, and click animation. This is animation, and this is the screen from animation and creating, just creating, and you uh, create the new folder to the place for the animation. But I have, uh, but I has to create this folder. Jadi as we can skip this step. If you has to rename terus dan yang lainnya, you can save, and the animation has be saved in this animation folder. And the next step, you can close this tab after you uh, click creating. You can you can click this right button, and this is already to the create the animation, and you can pindah to this place, and scale you can rescale. The example I want to click this, and next step I can and to the next step 0, and you can see this animation. Okay, and the next step we can create this animation in in animation. Okay, this is the animation has been created from this device, and the server to this select animation type. And you click this, okay. The element 0 is uh, element 0 is tumble, okay, and element 1 is animation noise. And the next step, you can drag to the right object, paste, drag to object, because this is the navigation bar and navigation logo to the side from the AR. And I can to duplicate this image, because in left we create the same button. Click duplicate and drag to this and rotate. Just with this column, and this, alhamdulillah, we can create this button. And the next step, we can see this object. Eh, white. Simple, yes, simple. Material is not the font. We don't use the material. And animation tumble script, you can see in this script, and you can click you can type this, and the before remove in this area semuanya, all all code from this area, and you can remove and retype with this type. Okay, inshallah. This code I will to drop to put in my description video, and you can download and copy paste from your device, okay, to the be easy and success. Thank you. And to the next step, after we editing the script, you click in this column button and click this plus, and you can drop the animation and drop this to this column.
Ngomongin tentang TT ya.
And you can this no function click animation and click animation tombol because we can see the animasi because we has creating the animation from the script.
Emang itu udah siap ya? Oh,
Okay,
belum.
animasi.
CEO yang mana sih? CEO iya. Cuma Facebook sama atau Facebook udah kan?
Animation.
Tapi belum ada gitu.
Okay, we has to create this object. Okay, langsung saja.
Oh, Facebook saya belum lagi. Tapi dia ini lagi cuy jadi akun itu udah.
Okay, this button has been used, and we can try the button because I has to creating the canvas and object button. I want to remove this folder M3. I want to remove because I has to be create. And then,
Iya sih, aku dianggurin.
and image to enable and disable. Okay. Okay. You must please turn on your flash because I want to scan. You can open the trade cam first because I want to try.
Ini ada apa sih? Thumbnail YouTube berapa? Apa itu?
Okay, we can start.
Install guys. Thumbnail YouTube berapa ada? Thumbnail YouTube. Enggak, ukuran thumbnail itu ada mengedit. Video lah. Ya sesuai yang paling
And okay, the webcam is ready running, and we can play button. Bismillah. What we
16 ada
can see in this frame.
Tekstur masih itu. Kurang tekstur nggak?
Yes. And and sorry, I'm sorry. Stop. We can change the fruit in this place.
Oh iya tadi.
Sorry if
Itu kan?
my animation is very manual to ganti-ganti nih banana, lemon, peanuts, peach, cherries, avocado, blah 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 blah. You can change in this okay, and this animation nih, beam. You can the best. Okay, you can change the fruit this column. Okay,
Coba lagi.
syukran. Mungkin hanya ini aja. See you to the next step for 3D animation. I hope uh, the next project is not create for 3D animation, but I want to create with Figma because I very miss the application Figma. My Figma is dianggurin. Okay? Oke, syukran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.